Okay, hello everyone. So we're again back. Again, we'll be discussing another algorithm under uninformed search in artificial intelligence, and we will be dealing with depth first search, or what we call DFS. So DFS is an algorithm used to perform a search in a given tree and implementing the behavior of stack. So we're using stack here. Or in other terms, last in, first out. So here I'll be showing you an example on how to perform the DFS. So we have here the tree and we have the starting node S. So we write S for frontier since we start with S. And then each time you visit a node, you pop it now. So as you remove it, uh, you insert the adjacent nodes to it or its neighboring nodes in this behavior. So let's proceed. So S is our first node. So S will be the first um, node in our frontier, and then let's remove it. So S will be called here, change color. S will be called here, and then let's see all the connected nodes to S, which is X, Y, and Z. So to be consistent with my previous example, I'll be using the left to right order in insertion. Since we will be using stack, so if I insert X, so X will be inserted here. And then Y will be inserted next. And then Z will be inserted last. No. So I changed the arrangement since we're using stack. So basically you're inserting on this way. Unlike using Q, you're inserting in this way. Yeah. So this will be our frontier. And let's pop or remove Z. So let's check Z. Z contains T, U, and V. So as we remove Z from our frontier, we need to insert all neighboring nodes, which is T, U, and V. So first we need to rewrite the remaining node, which is Y and X here. And then let's insert T, U, and V. So since we're inserting on this way, so T will be inserted first, followed by U, and then V. So that will be our arrangement. So let's remove V. And as you can see, V contains an adjacent node, which is W. So as we remove V, W should be inserted. So before we insert W to our frontier, I will rewrite the remaining node, which is, am I correct? Let me, yeah, V, we will remove V. So we will be rewriting the remaining nodes here, and then W will be inserted. Then again, we call W. So W will be called, since W don't have any other remaining children, so nothing will be inserted. We can safely copy all the remaining nodes here. There. Then next is U. So we remove U. U here doesn't have any neighbors. So we can safely, nothing will be inserted, and we can just rewrite all the remaining nodes in our frontier. Then next is T. So T is our next node, and T contains two children, C and D, so it should be inserted in our frontier. So before we insert C and D, we rewrite the remaining node, which is Y and X. And then let's insert C and D. So C will be inserted first, followed by D. So we're using left to right again. Then on the next step, we will be removing D. And since D is highlighted with yellow, we can say that this is our goal node. So we can now stop. And the nodes here is our order of expansion of the nodes. So applying DFS for this example will give you the order of expansion or order of node expansion S, Z, V, W, U, E, and then D. So that's it. And if you check on our next slide, yeah, as you can see, we have the same output here. So let me clear. And so you have the same uh, result. So thank you for listening, guys. That's your DFS. And we'll move to the next algorithm